I'm going to take a look at Master Box Models pinup series numbers 4, 5, and 6. These kits are 1/24 scale. They roughly retail right around $15 each, and they are available online or at your local hobby shop. I always like to start off with the box art. The box art's done by a V. Petalin, and he's done the box art on all 3 kits, and the sculptor of the kit is A. Gargarin on all 3 kits. However, this is 4, 5, and 6. I've done the video earlier of number 1, 2, and 3, and I'll put a link in the description so you can check that out too. One thing about these kits, you get more box than you do model kit, but it is a great subject. There's really no flash to it whatsoever, and the back here shows you the instructions, which you do not get an instruction sheet. You just basically get it for the box. Shows you the also the sprue layout and the numbering system, and also a paint guide. So we'll take a look at Suzie. Back of her, the front, face detail, just another fantastic kit. We'll look at Patty. There's the back of the box, the instructions, paint guide, and kit layout. And we'll start with the back of the kit. Again, I see no really flash or seam lines. Very well done. And the face. And on to Samantha. There's the back of the box, the paint guide, the assembly, and the kit layout. And again, we'll start with the back. And the front. Face detail. There's a little bit of a seam around the head there. But anyway, not too bad at all. These kits do represent their 1/35th counterparts, and just an absolutely outstanding, they're very simple, and just a very, very simple kit. I mean, fantastic. And now I have the whole set. Highly recommend it. Master Box's pinup series.